Got tomatoes cut. You're gonna go ahead and stick it into your sauce. Your onions are looking good. Like I said, you basically just want to make sure your onions are like translucent. When your onions get to that point, then you can go ahead and like add your tomatoes to it. So we're gonna do that now. Stir it in, just like the rest. Like I said, you know, you'll find like a couple of your mussels here and there, but you can put it back in the shells, or you can just leave it in the juice. Get that in real good. Try to stick it like underneath the liquid too, so it steams up like a little bit better. You can taste that that tomato. Once you got that in, go ahead and throw your mussels back into it. Now, you know, some of you guys might want to use like a spoon or tongs, because obviously I just made a mistake right there and dropped one, but it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna take this spoon so I can start flipping it over and get these vegetables and everything inside. And basically, you're just doing this just to get the flavor inside of the mussels, because you're gonna plate it up totally different. Just let it cook for like a minute or two.